Well, the mild weather continued here in West Michigan today. It's been rain-free since about 8 o'clock here in Grand Rapids, but there have been on and off showers, and there's more of the showers on the way. 13 weather ball is blinking bright because of that tonight and tomorrow through tomorrow night. It's also green, no change to at least one more mild day foreseen.
The 13 weather ball is sponsored by LaFontaine Lincoln Grand Rapids.
And around the region, mainly cloudy skies. To the north, a little bit of rain up there in the Pentwater area, perhaps even approaching Muskegon, as temperatures to the north and west are in the 60s. We're at 68 here in Grand Rapids, 70 plus from Holland down through South Haven, Kalamazoo, Battle Creek. Very unusually mild day. You can see where the tracks of rain have been from around the Kalamazoo area up through Grand Rapids and here over Oceana County. You've had quite a bit of rain throughout the day today. More showers developing. This is going to be with us right after most of you get home from your evening commute. Got any evening outdoor games, high school games, it's going to be wet here in a couple of hours. Back to the north and west, snowstorm across Montana and North Dakota. Some of that cold air is eventually going to arrive here, and later on next week we could see a little bit of snow, but warnings for much of Montana and North Dakota right now. Nothing like that going on here in West Michigan. Here are the showers. Those are going to be moving out later tonight. Not as much rain here tomorrow, but as a cold front goes through, there'll be some scattered showers. A lot of the football games will get through dry, but some of them are going to get wet. That's a cold front coming through in the evening, and skies clear out. We get some clearing skies taking place on Saturday, lots of sunshine to start, and then we get more clouds and rain coming in during the day on Sunday. Long range outlook is calling for that rain to continue throughout the day tomorrow. Half an inch is certainly likely, and in terms of snowfall, we're starting to see some snowflakes starting to show up here on the forecast for Halloween and the day after, but the majority of the snow that will stick around is well off to our north and west. Highs tomorrow around 70. Still very warm. Average highs right now are in the mid-50s. We're going to drop to 50, a full 20 degrees on Saturday, and we may only get to 43 here on Sunday. And yes, some of these 30s are heading in our direction as we wrap up October, head into November. That's going to linger on through the 5th of November with high chances for cooler than average readings. Average highs are in the low 50s. We may not get out of the 40s, and a high chance we'll see less precipitation, at least from any systems. Most of the wet weather will be out here in the west coast. So for tonight, showers will be developing if they haven't already. It'll be a breezy night at the lakeshore, low 50s north, mid and upper 50s Muskegon southward. Northern zones, you'll be in the mid and upper 50s. These are closer to the average highs, and these are overnight lows. And here in the greater Grand Rapids area, we're going to drop down to around 60 for a rather mild night. 13 on your side forecast. From 70 tomorrow to 50 on Saturday. It'll be dry all day, but Saturday night the rain returns and sticks around on Sunday as we only hit 43 now. Upper 30s both Monday and Halloween Tuesday. I've added back in some light precipitation on Halloween itself, and it may come just as to the time the trick-or-treaters are headed out, and then after that, starting November, will be cool but dry all the way through the following weekend. Yeah, not looking good for trick-or-treaters.
That's unfortunate. At least we get some sun the day after.
Okay.
Trying to look at the bright side.
Yes, you are.
Yeah.
We just heard him say it a couple of minutes ago, keep those umbrellas handy.
Yeah, we're here with Chief Meteorologist George Lessons, who's outside on the weather deck now. And when is this rain going to stop, George?
Maybe never.
Oh, okay.
No. It'll be over by about this time tomorrow evening, maybe a little bit later. But yeah, it's been a damp October here. At least I'm out here without a winter coat on.
That's true.
That will take place later next week.
Just in time for Halloween now.
Yeah, just in time. But today was a rainy day, but mild across west of Michigan. What's ahead for tonight and tomorrow? 13 weather ball is green, no change foreseen. It's blinking bright. We have more showers in sight.
The 13 weather ball is sponsored by LaFontaine Lincoln Grand Rapids.
Hey, you're going to walk the dog? Yeah, you're going to need an umbrella and then some for Lily. Lori, rain here this evening, yellow paw from 6 to 10 p.m. Not much change in the temperature, but tomorrow morning should be dry, but some afternoon showers will be popping up as you walk the dog. Our green energy report starting with the solar energy. Not a lot here tomorrow. Nonetheless, 31% home energy savings, and the winds are going to be up, especially at the lakeshore and where the wind farms are located. So 8.3, a great day to generate some green electricity. And again, a scattered shower on your 13 on your sidelines football forecast. Showers to start start the game, but I think by the end of the game, we'll see just cloudy skies. Not bad, kind of on the milder side. And we're approaching, if not past peak fall color here in parts of west of Michigan. 60s to near 70 tomorrow in northern areas. Past peak in central lower, mid 60s there. And 50s to around 60 across the UP, where you're certainly past a fall color, according to Explore Fall. This is Saturday's forecast. Highs around 50, 40s to the north, all the way up to the Mackinac Bridge, and even a couple of spots in the UP. Western UP will be in the 30s. Most areas on Saturday will stay dry. That won't be the case on Sunday. We'll see lots of rain, and even further to the north, it may mix with a few snowflakes once you get into the Upper Peninsula, where readings are in the 30s. You can see some snowflakes there at Newberry, Manistee, and also in the Marquette area. We've got some rain moving in. It's raining pretty hard right now for you folks there in Muskegon. That's along out ahead of a cold front that's pushing slowly across Wisconsin. And once that pushes on through, we will see our showers come to an end late tonight, but they'll refire here during the day tomorrow. You see just a few scattered showers in the afternoon and evening, and then skies do clear. We got a nice sunny day coming up on Saturday until the end of the day, then some more rain moves in on Saturday. Sunday, all the way through Sunday, could be up to another ½ inch of rain here in West Michigan. And yes, there could be some snow now on Halloween, maybe up to a ½ inch here in the greater Grand Rapids area. Long range outlook from November 3rd through the 9th. We have equal chances for warmer or cooler temperatures, but we'll get rid of the cold air at least. As far as precipitation, also an equal chance for more or less during that 7-day period. Tonight, though, rain already at the lakeshore, breezy, mid and upper 50s here. Northern zone, we'll look at mid and upper 50s with the rain throughout much of the evening into the overnight. And here in the greater Grand Rapids area, rain is going to be moving in very shortly. Overnight lows around 60. 13 on your side forecast. Yeah, cold for Monday and Tuesday as we wrap up October, with rain Monday morning and then some rain and snow perhaps on Halloween. But drying out, we'll finally get out of the 40s early in November to the upper 40s to near 50 by the following weekend.
Sounds like we're stuck with the rain for a little while longer.
Yeah, let up for a little while this afternoon, but it's back. George is out there to tell us how long it's going to be around.
Raining at the lakeshore right now, and I'm a little nervous, guys. It's starting to rain out here on the weather deck right now. May have to grab the umbrella before I'm through. Yeah, more showers on the way, but so we are going to also see more mild weather. That's why the 13 weather ball is green. No change foreseen. It's also blinking bright. We have more showers in sight.
The 13 Weather Ball is sponsored by LaFontaine Lincoln Grand Rapids.
And highs today were up into the 60s and even made 70 plus in Holland, all the way down through South Haven, Kalamazoo, and Battle Creek. We forecast 71 today, but we have only made 68 so far, just enough within our target range. 2 days in a row, we have done that. Speaking of the rain, you can see we've had about a third to just under a ½ inch here across West Michigan. It's been raining most of the day up in Oceana County. For the month, yes, it's been wet. We're almost 1.5 inches above average for rainfall, about 1.8 degrees warmer than average, mainly from the overnight lows and sunshine. Yeah, it's been a cloudy month, 15% less than we usually have. And you can see we've got temperatures back down into the 60s now at the lakeshore after reaching 70 because of the showers. Yeah, raining pretty good there. And Muskegon is just now approaching our station here on the northwest side of Kent County, so got to get off the weather deck here before that rain really comes down. It's all out ahead of a cold front that's going to be pushing through tomorrow afternoon, and that's going to eventually end our showers, at least for Saturday. Here's the rain by 6 o'clock. Maybe a little faster on the models than it is because it hasn't quite got to Grand Rapids yet, but on and off showers overnight. They'll wind down towards daybreak tomorrow. And a good portion of the day tomorrow will be dry, but by afternoon and evening, some scattered showers around. I think a majority of the high school football games will be dry, but there will be some scattered showers up until about 10, 11 o'clock. And then much colder air comes in Friday night. We have lots of sunshine to start our day on Saturday. High clouds come in. This is the next weather system that will bring rain Saturday night through early on Sunday. Right now, Sunday doesn't appear to be much in the way of some rain. Most of that will be early on in the day. And speaking of rain, another ½ to 3/4 of an inch could certainly fall. Most of that will come during the day tomorrow and into Saturday night as well. And as far as snow, this is on Halloween. Yes, we put some rain and snow showers in the forecast, so most of this will melt, but it looks cold and kind of snowy for the trick-or-treaters. Afternoon showers developing along the lakeshore, mid and upper 60s, maybe 72 before the front goes through in South Haven. Mid and upper 60s north with, again, a scattered afternoon shower, no all-day rains. Here in the greater Grand Rapids area, we may make 70, perhaps even as warm as 73 in Battle Creek and Kalamazoo. 13 on your side forecast. Dry Saturday until Saturday night. When the rain rolls through, we'll drop from 70 tomorrow to 50 Saturday and into the 40s on Sunday. Monday and Tuesday, only upper 30s now for highs. After that, we'll warm up only a little bit first days of November, but at least it should be dry and closer to 50.